So here we are today with Tom and we're looking at our most popular type of water cooler. We've got there in the background an F-Max, and we've got here a stainless steel. Tom, what's going to be the best way for us to change out the taps? If we've got a problem with the taps, for example, they might be dripping or they might not be functioning quite right. How would we go about that? What would you typically want to do?
So first of all, you need to make sure the cooler is unplugged, the water bottle is removed. After that, you need to drain all the water from the water cooler.
Yes.
Just to be not split the water everywhere.
Okay.
After that, just simply unscrew it from to left side.
And replace it with the new tap.
Yes.
And there we go. So you've got that, guys. Take the bottle off the cooler. Make sure you run out any excess water into it. Unplug it from the mains, and then simply unscrew the tap, and then we can tap them on. This is the wonderful thing about the stainless steel. These taps are so much better because they're not solenoids. They don't have the problems of leaking and being blocked by calcium over time, and they're very simple to exchange.